afternoon, Mr. Masengeli.
Good afternoon, my lord.
I have very few questions for you. When you took office, did you swear to protect the rule of law?
Yes, my lord.
Do you think you're above the law?
No, my lord.
Do you think your conduct allows you to continue holding public office?
Yes, my lord.
The conduct of not obeying the rule of law allows you to hold office.
Here I am, my lord. I have forepaid.
That is it from you. Silence, please.
My lord, I have two questions. Witness. Your name is Manuel Jose. Yes. Mr. Masengeli.
Yes, my lord.
Do you find it difficult that the day you chose to come to court today is the same day that the three petitioners have been found? Do you find it disturbing as an acting inspector general, a former acting inspector general, and currently a deputy inspector general?
My lord, that is subject to investigation. As police officers, we will have to go further and investigate. Also have a...
My question was very rhetorical. Do you look at the coincidence between the day you've chosen? I'm saying you've chosen because we have had 8 instances before here, which you chose not to come. Do you find it disturbing that the day you chose to come to court, it's the same day the 3 petitioners were found early in the morning? Do you find it?
My lord, I don't find it disturbing because to me, up to now, I'm not aware whether they've been found.
You've answered my question. My second question, Mr. Masengeli. You have apologized to the court for not honoring those 7 summons. Is that an admission of guilt from your part?
My lord, that's not an admission of guilt, but I explained myself, my lord.
Why did you apologize? If, truthfully, your affidavit, the one you have supplied to the court, if whatever you have sworn and presented to the court is true, why are you apologizing for doing the right thing?
Because, my lord, I was supposed to be here in person.
You're supposed to be here in person.
And here I am, my lord.
Your apologies to you being here in person, not to your conduct of disobedience. It's a straightforward.
My apology is to pray that the Lord of this court accepts the apology that I had just made, vacate the conviction and the sentence. So I prayed to my Lord.
To say that you've confirmed to this court that you are guilty and the court convicted you because of that apology and the sentence?
No, my Lord.
Lastly, my last question is on the orders. From the time this petition was filed by the Law Society of Kenya, at what point did you see the first order of this court? Or come across the first order summoning you?
My Lord,
My Lord, why don't you tell you we are against this we are allegedly using courtly language. But look, they're all combined there. Can the witness answer?
Unless we agree that they are adopting their fidelity.
That's correct, man.
Listen, we agree that they are adopting their fidelity. Unless they are showing the witness any advance
Let's only allow Mr. Miller to do it, not any other person.
No, my lord, you're opening a big door for them. Huh? Just be firm.
No,
Let the advocate should be there.
The 90th
my lord, that's 29th of August. Okay, let me provide it.
There are 5 people asking him to do.
Where are the court
For
orders?
the date, my lord.
Just 25. Why is he negotiating?
Get them out. Leave Mr. Miller only. Those are the directions of the court.
My lord, I appear with Steve Ogola.
Or Mr. Steve Ogola can do.
Yes. And I also appear with Juma Kembe.
is a legal officer.
I don't want people here. We only have Mr. Ogola and Mr.
He's my legal officer.
The man, would you please step? No, move a bit. Move a bit.
My lord, that's a legal officer.
And you've been getting on the first order. It's no big
Kindly,
deal.
let's have you and Mr. Ogola. That's okay. Yes, let the other officer stand there. Next to let the officer stand there. Yes. The officer, you can stand there so that you can shoot the head. Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Ogola and Mr. Miller, you are free now to direct your client to whatever portion of the
Thank you, my lord.
To answer the question, my lord, it was on 29th of August 2024, my lord.
29th of August.
2024, my lord.
Was held when these directions were being given, so that I don't think my life for this.
You said it was on 29th of August.
Yes, my lord.
That was the first time you knew that there was an order summoning you to court.
Yes, my lord.
Were you aware of the second order? It's a yes or no?
My lord, I've put it in my affidavit.
That is why I'm asking you that question. Were you aware of the second order? You can say yes or no. This is a question.
Yes, my lord.
You're aware of the third order?
Yes, my lord.
You're aware of the fourth order? So yes or no?
Yes, my lord.
You're aware of the fifth order?
My lord, I think you need to clarify them in terms of dates.
They know the orders. They've listed them in their affidavit. I'm saving them time.
My lord, it is not too sure of the dates of the orders. Let him just abandon that line of
My
questioning.
Lord, the witness has already answered. I don't think Malani Senior is doing the right thing by countermanding the answer from the client. You had the benefit of having all the 8 orders on your desk. Will I be right if I say that, Mr. Masengeli?
No, my lord.
So if you didn't have the benefit, how did you find yourself in court today?
Because, my lord, I got the conviction and the last orders that I appear in person, my lord.
So are you trying to tell the court that you were only aware of the first order and the conviction and sentence? Is that your position?
No, my lord.
Maybe that's all for me.
How many minutes to win?
My lord, I've got 30 minutes. Already 30 minutes.
Okay, you have done.
Also, we are in court every day. You don't need to remember everything. The court knows that. And so it doesn't need to prove a point.
My court assistant tells me that that confusion has only spent 3 minutes. So you are 3 minutes.
It's fine. Very well. Proceed. Looking at your affidavit,
Your name, thank you.
my name is Abubakar. Mr. Masengeli, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my lord.
You didn't mention the areas you were during when the orders were issued, but you mentioned you were in Lamu County. Which other county?
Northeastern, my lord.
Northeastern region.
And Eastern, my lord.
Northeastern, yeah.
Northeastern, Eastern, and the Coast Province, on Coast Region, my lord. Those three regions.
There you go. From the evidence, where do we see that you are indeed there?
I filed in my affidavit, my lord, and there are signals attached on the same, my lord.
The directors to one, that where you belong.
I said on oath.
Please, directors, please. In the affidavit. Mr. Masengeli in Lamu. Mr. Masengeli Northeastern. In the affidavit, please.
24?
Yeah, so we need to accept the NSF. No.
1?
Yeah. Okay, number 18. From page 23. Yeah, GM2. 23, 24.
My lord, in my affidavit, my lord, on number 23, paragraph 23, my lord, and paragraph 24, my lord.
Yes. Yes, I've read the
And 27.
yeah,
And paragraph 27, my lord.
my question is, substantiate that. Cogent evidence that I'm in Lamu.
Ask him to
How did you
peruse
get there? Did you fly? Was there a
Ask him to peruse that. That's just.
My lord, you may peruse the extra.
Yeah.
Let him peruse the
How did you get to Lamu? Mr. Masengeli, how did you get to Lamu? Mr. Masengeli.
My lord,
My lord, just today that since the affidavit has annexures and the witness has already pointed out the paragraphs that have the annexures, annexing the signals that counsel is asking, wouldn't that be sufficient?
Another 1 minute.
Okay.
Mr. Masengeli, how did you get to Lamu before?
My lord, I think also we need to also be very careful about this line of questioning. This is a very senior state officer. The issues of no, my lord, let me finish.
My lord.
Let me say this. You see, this is cross-examination. When the witness says that he has answered, if you are not satisfied with the answer, you can only now, if he is not able to go beyond what you are probing, then you can only make submissions on that at a later point. But you cannot keep on asking him to substantiate.
How did you get to Lamu, Mr. Masengeli?
My lord, I used the police chopper.
Wow. Why didn't you use the same chopper in the 5 times you were summoned to court? 30 minutes, right?
My lord, there are 4 mentions, not 8.
Sorry? 4 mentions. Okay, why did you use the chopper at the first mention? The second mention? The third mention? The fourth?
My lord,
You admit to breaking
on
the
this,
court orders despite the chopper, right?
I cannot disobey court orders, my lord. Court orders are there to be obeyed and enforced, my lord.
On these 4 mentions that you say, though you believe there are more, you sent someone, correct?
Yes, my lord.
You sent the director legal, you sent the deputy IG. Under Section 8, you have the power to delegate, correct?
Not only powers to delegate, my lord.
Yes or no, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Why didn't you delegate to Lamu?
Why didn't you delegate to the North Eastern?
My Lord, I am the head of that unit that was engaged
Why? The question
in
is why?
security operations. My Lord, calls for my being their guidance because I know I have the commanders across the country, my Lord. And with what had happened there, I hate to
But you agree you can't be everywhere all the time.
It's a fact, my Lord.
Yes. So you delegate sometimes, correct?
Sure, my Lord.
Yes. So you had the ability to delegate. I leave the first question.
Very well. So we are done with, you have exhausted your 15 minutes. You have exhausted your 15 minutes. Any re-examination? Re-examination from, any re-examination?
Not my Lord. Sorry, just one question. Just one question, my Lord, I'm so sorry.
No.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I just realized there was something of importance.
No, you said no. I think you have to know. Yes.
My Lord, I have just one question.
No, you said no, Council.
Allow the law society to delegate as all is doing that. In terms of the state of affairs.
My Lord, is that procedural?
It is an observation as a law society.
Okay, just a minute, Council. I understand that I'll give each of you, Mr. Miller and the petitioners, 5 minutes to make brief submissions because after this I want to go and write a ruling. You've heard what the Inspector General of Police has said. You've heard what he has said on cross-examination. So make very brief submissions so that I can now come up with a ruling and we can see now the way forward.